Hi, my name is Tim Sikma. I'm the DPW director for the city of Wixom. We just recently acquired a new trail system. We have a lot of brush in that area. I'd like to see what our guys have to say once we've taken out the Brush Rover and given it a run for its money.
Thank you guys for coming out to look at the Orec America Brush Rover. This is a riding brush mower that can work in the national parks, municipalities, in the ditches, roadways, right-of-ways. It can take down saplings up to 1 1/4 inch. That's commercial grade from the front to the back. You just jump on it, sit down, put your foot on the brake. We're going to pull out the choke and turn the key. Headlights will come on once the motor's running. When I need to jump off the mower to pick something up or just stand up, I'm going to put the brake depressed all the way. I'm going to slide the gear over and lock it. The mower will stay running. Over here, flail blade engagement is right here. Height adjustment here, 2 to 4.7 inches. The flail blade will spin if it catches a rock and release the rock beyond the mower, and again come around and lock in this place and spin with the blade until the debris is hit. Otherwise it stays in this position to cut. Over here we have the locking differential, which will lock both wheels in gear so they're going the same speed at the same time up hills and through rough terrain. Down here in the turtle, that's mowing, and in the rabbit gear is where you want to be if you want to transport to and from your starting or ending location. The speed gear is forward, reverse right here, and the engine throttle is right here. Whether you're in reverse or forward, the brake will pop it back to neutral. Another safety feature. Here's a convenient number right here. Look at this. Using the screw key, turn counterclockwise, and you'll hear it click open. You're at the blade belts. Easy change, easy adjust. Nothing could be more simple. The whole system is simple, efficient, effective, and what I consider the best mower, brush cutting mower in the world.
Well, I think driving the Rover, it was the ease of use, real easy to steer.
I know I drove well over 1.5 inch saplings, and it just kept going. Didn't stop. The engine didn't slow down at all.
Recommend you get a couple for your department.
Great little machine.